The agriculture is one of the most important economic activities in Chile and the rest of the world. So, the soil and the characteristics are fundamental for the development of this job, especially now with the global problems that come from the climate change, like the desertification. The desertification affects the flora and fauna and produces some negative effects on the human population on the affected area, increasing the rate of poverty and the breakdown of family units due to migration to less affected area finding better job offers. The Cal Emperatriz project seeks to combat soil desertification through the planting of kiri trees, which can provide nutrients to the land where they are planted and also help to improve this soil. The kiri tree, genetically modified to form the Paulownia in its variant 112, whose advantages are the adaptation to all types of soils. Its leaves have a high percentage of nitrogen that serve as fertilizer, its resistance to fire and high temperatures, and other characteristics like its genetic modification that makes it a non-invasive species. Our solution is to plant kiri seeds in areas with erosion, desertification, and unstable conditions. Using robots and mist traps, we will make an automatic irrigation and planting system.
Our project is aimed at farms in extreme areas with a little agricultural livelihood, who will receive the kiri seeds for free. In the first instance, the growth process of the tree helps as fertility for the land in the long term, helping to have more work field. The pruning will be used on digital fabrication, among other common use, according to demand. This seed is better than other genetically modified seeds, since it's infertile and does not expand like the original. This tree has a very fast growth. In 8 years, it reaches the same height, an oak tree of 4 decades. Our project also offers a mobile application to monitor the work of the roads. Although there are several associations that have tried similar projects, none of them have given the necessary care. That is what we want to change. We have creative and innovative teams specialized in intelligent development. In addition, we have the support of technological laboratory to start our process. In the future, we hope to create an alliance with other laboratories to throughout the country increase the demand for seed production and offer an increase in employability. Every year, the Atacama Desert advances 0.4 kilometers towards the capital, thus increasing the desertified soil through the country. With our project, we will manage the recovered lands that we throw with are dead, but with time and effort for a few more years. If yesterday we had no life, today we'll have it. Thanks.